my name is Teddy, and it's been a pleasure to be part of the ICON conference. So it's actually my second conference. I attended the first one, and it's just been a blessing to see how things have been growing, just with the ICON conference and the caliber of guest speakers coming. One thing that, one key takeaway that I got from Bob Dole's sharing today and just hearing the different speakers is really emphasizing the fact that we have one integrated life, and that work is really a part and parcel of life. And like what Bob mentioned as well, that Jesus should be on the list of things to do or our priorities, but it should be so ingrained in our life that everything we list down as priorities in our lives is already infused with Christ. So, in terms of living that out, I'm sure it's going to be difficult, but it's encouraging to know that I'm not walking this path alone, that I have a bunch of people going through it as well, whether it's in Indonesia or in Chicago or elsewhere. I think the speakers have all just reminded me of the importance of prayer and community, and that Christ is really a part of all of this. So thanks for putting this together, and I'm looking forward for the next one.